how to make any photo fit as your wallpaper on Samsung device. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily make any photo fit as your wallpaper in your Samsung phone. So you see there is no any direct settings option to set or adjust your wallpaper directly. You can still change your style or wallpaper from over here, but you cannot change the wallpaper resolution. So in that case, what we need to do is just head over to your gallery and choose on any photos. So as you can see, this is a completely horizontal type of picture I have here over here. So if I wanted to save it or take it as an my home wallpaper, so I'll just have to click on this set as wallpaper by clicking on this hamburger icon at the top right corner and just choose between any one of them. So let's say I was just want to choose my home screen, and as you can see the resolution will be looking a bit off, but you can still readjust it by simply positioning wherever you want. And if you are still not satisfied, you can still zoom in more to readjust or crop the position accordingly. So once you are satisfied, you can simply click on done to set the photo as you fit on your mobile device. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.